Today we discuss about the how to promote my website and my blogs using with keyword. Suppose I'm starting on a website. So how to showing my website to top one position is based on the keyword. What is the keyword? Nothing but query. Suppose my website is called training, digital marketing online training in Hyderabad. Suppose all digital services in Hyderabad. When typing keyword, my website showing to the top one position. How will be showing my website to top one position? So I can give one keyword, how to promote the particular keyword using with the particular link. That is called, we using call, please write down URL, Google Sites, sites.google.com. There is two types. One is called classic site, second one is called new site. Classic site nothing but plain text along with the hyperlinks. Hyperlink nothing but anchor text. Classic site is nothing but only for plain text. If compare with the new text, is complete with the image. You can add your videos, everything possible. Where in the new site. Now here, how many types? Look here, guys. One is a classic site and a new site. In the new site, we add the videos and contain everything possible. Look here, I'm adding a number of keywords. This time my agency in Hyderabad. Is keyword indexed into the your search engine? Where this into the sites will be indexed by where in your search engine is based on your title and meta description. What you're writing the title, they mention into the your title and your description. Now look here. I'm giving the specific places. Look here. So yeah, everything I'll take it here. Please, I'm clicking here. First, I'm take the classic site. I'm taking keyword is called digital marketing online training in Madhapur. Look here. I'm taking keyword is called digital marketing online training in Madhapur. So what is that? Name of your site. Name of your site is nothing but your keyword. What is that? Your keyword. Now click digital marketing online training institute in Madhapur. Now here. It's clear? Now here we're writing here. DM trainings Madhapur. This is my URL extension. We all discuss. One is called domain extension. After domain extension is equal URL, everything will be called URL extension. Up to is your URL. This is your extension will be maintained from your title. DM, digital market, training, Madhapur, located by where? HY. I'm using for shortcut. This is my URL extension. Now here, please write down URL extension support up to 30 characters. URL extension support up to 30 characters. Suppose if you give the URL extension, it already exists. You can change as a name called shortcut. No problem. You can use it up to shortcut. Hyderabad, HYD, Madhapur, MDH, something like. Okay. You click the captcha code. Now click for create. Suppose if you exceed your extension to 30 characters, it will be not accepted by your URL extension. Now we'll check. Just create your page in Google site. We'll check how to will we create. Look guys, site.google.com/site. What is that? DM trainings Madhapur HYD. Is clear properly? Now take this one. So here I'm taking for this keyword. Just copy this one. So if you're creating for your some plain text document, I had to create my document. Yes or no? What the option call is edit page. Now here, what is my home title is my keyword. Digital marketing online training institute in Madhapur. Now I'm filling the entire document here. Done. So here we're writing for document entire. Is accept any image here? Everything is a plain document. It's called plain text. Same like notepad. So here. But they accept hyperlink for my website, my blog, my YouTube. So Google site also promoting for 3 URLs. They're linking with the 3 backlinks for website and blogger and YouTube. I can give you my email ID, my official email ID, and my Skype address and my mobile number. Click for save. So, guys, look here. What is my website name? Digital Marketing Online Training Institute in Madhapur. Now, copy this URL. I can open by the private browser. What is mean by private browser? Incognito window. I'm checking my site. It's perfect or not? They give the title. Look here. Is opening my file here. See here. What's my title? Digital Marketing Online Training Institute in Madhapur. Perfect title. Yes or no? So this title will be indexed by where? Your search engine. Who will be indexed your search engine? Google site will be indexed on your keyword into the search engine. They will be crawl. This is nothing but crawl on your Google product. What the site will be called? Site.google.com. So your extension will be explained for your keyword name. That is called title will indicate by your URL extension. Suppose you give the 2-3 URLs is not supported, is all exist. It will change as a shortcut. This time is a DM. Suppose your Salesforce is not available. SF online training HYD. We can use it for the shortcut. They will understand. But why you accept only for 30 characters? So I am creating for this page. We can use it by private browser. They will show our keyword. Now have create for another page. Simple option call is here. The option call is back to site. So what are the pages are creating? Everything will check by in this down. What is the page will creating by Digital Marketing Online Training Institute in Madhapur. Now check where will be happen. Done. Is my URL yes or no? Now I'm taking this one. Taking for classic site. Look here. I'm taking for keyword is there. Digital Marketing Online Training in Hyderabad. Sorry, in India. Online Training Institute, India. What is my company name? Rakesh Solutions. Look here. See, I'm giving my keyword and my company name also. So it's a long title. So how many characters will support? Suppose we are leaving for my characters. They accept or not? We'll check here. How many characters will support? 30 characters will be support. We'll check here. Create. What did it say? Look, they accept starting with the 6 character and with the 30 characters. Now, tell me shortcut. What are you using here? DM training India using with RTX. What RTX nothing but architect solution. India is covered. The is not covered. Training is covered. Simple. Click here. Create a site. Previous title. This title will check what is happening for both titles. Right, nothing but your keyword. It is nothing but your keyword. Now your site will be created here. Now look, do like this. Now copy this up to India. Edit my page. Copy to paste here. Go to my data. Paste this one. Paste it. Click for save. Now copy this URL. Open incognito window. Control Shift N. Look here. Now is all the title will be happen here. Wait for the seconds. Look, I'm open my web page. using with my proper title. What is the title will be called? Digital Marketing Online Training Institute in India. Who is the company holder? Rakesh Solution. We can give your blog name also. Digital Rakesh. Give the blog name. See here. I'm using with my website URL and my blog URL. Just I'm clicking here. Open this one. This is called my backlink. Who will give them my backlink for your website? Google sites. Easily your site will be indexed for the strong backlinks. Yes or no? So this is what we're creating for the n number of strong backlink from your website using with the Google site. So clear? In the classic site, we are creating for the test document. Is clear? Clear by the test document. Now we'll check by the second one, that is called new site. So here in the previous we discussed about the classic site. Now I'm going to the where new site. Now click here. Click for new site. Classic and new site complete different. Classic is a plain test document. New site you can promote everything based on image important. They have to promoting along with image. Look here. Here we can promote images. Test document, embed video. What does it mean by embed video? We can promote by YouTube video also. Upload in the direct videos also and the images also. Now simple here. I am selecting this one. Select one keyword here. Digital marketing online training in US. I am providing for online training for any location. Select. After that, change image. Upload. I am uploading to the image for using with my desktop. Clicking for image. Enroll with my image is uploaded by image. See this. So above there will content will be there. Something page title. I don't require this one. Click for delete. So done. My image is done. I don't know. Now image type will be there. Header type. Large banner. Banner type. Text only. But is only for banner type. Here. This is called writing for text. System marketing online training. Yes. Now come to here. So where is my adding my documentation? Simple one. Click. It's coming your document. Which one? Text box. Now select your documentation. Done. Now simple enter here. Click. What's that? My embed code. Where embed code nothing but my YouTube code. So I'm going to wear that YouTube here. So here I'm open a YouTube channel. I'm open for the specific video here. Any video you can take is I'm taking for demo here. So they're asking by embed URL. Just go to here. I'm clicking for share button. Click for embed. Now copy this URL. Where I can submit this one? Go to the new site. Submit. Click for next. So they're showing my video here properly. Click for insert. Then video. There's two ways. We can upload direct video into the your desktop. This version. This is called direct video. Simple. You can increase your size. Embed. We can drag your size also easily. See. Is it clear? This is your embed video. Suppose What's that? You can upload by the direct to YouTube video also. Just click upload by where no videos are uploaded. Now video search by URL. Now simply click anyone. Which one is how to promoting your channel? Just take it as the URL here. I'm taking this one. Copy this URL. Click for here. Small. Image is the big one. So clear? I'm clicking for the option is called. When you submit time, copy this URL. Click for publish. Look here. What is the URL? Digital marketing training online train. So there is a 30 characters. Reason what I'm doing here. So careful watch. iPhone training iPhone USA. Done tick mark. Is give one option is called request public search engines do not display my site. If you click this option, the link will be did not show for the search engine. Is one of the call is robo.txt file. So I'm not click this option. Click for publish. In entire Google site is based on your URL extension. Is very important. Now click for publish. Now it's going on publish here. Now site will be published. Click for view. Copy this URL. Open your new tab. Previous is we discussed about the classic site. New site is completely different with the classic site. Yes or no? I'm opening for the new site here. Just click here. See here. This is my URL. So what is the extension? Classic site and the new site. That is called site. This is called view. This document is the site. Content document is the view. Content always show as a view document. This image along with it called view. Look here. This is my image. This is my content. And this is my website, blog, and YouTube channel. And along with me promoting for the my YouTube video. Now look here. I'm playing this one. It's playing or not? Now come to here. This is my training video. Click play this. It's playing or not? Both will be playing perfectly. So this is way to we can promoting for the keyword using with the classic site and the new site. Look here, my keyword digital marketing online training US. You can change the title as my company name also. Digital marketing online training US iPhone Rakesh Solutions. So clear? This is way to be creating for your new site and the classic site. This is we are creating for the your website promotion using with the Google site. That is called site.google.com.